right, let's go back to the insert menu, because now what we're going to do is we are going to insert some documents and a little bit of reflection on those documents. So the first thing I want to do is I can come to Google Drive or I can come down to Google Docs, either one, it doesn't matter, and find the artifact that I would like to share. So in this case, I'm going to share my example of this new employee manual that I created. So I will select it and click Insert, and it inserts the document into my website. This is incredibly, incredibly important. You have to make sure that that document is shared with anyone who has a link. Otherwise, the person viewing your website will not be able to see this document. So I'm going to deviate for a quick second and show you how to do that. Let me slide back down here, and I'm going to go to my Google Drive and look up that document that I just used, which is the employee manual right here. All right, when I open this, underneath the share button here on the side, click on Get Shareable Link, and right here where it says anyone at the College of Charleston can view, click that drop down and choose More. Now I'm going to choose this one right here that says anyone with the link and save. If you leave it as anyone at the College of Charleston can view, then the only people that can see it are the people that are actively signed in to their CofC Google account. And now I'll click Done. And that's all you need to do. Now this document is shareable via my Google Sites. So that's important to remember, that you've got to have those shared before you publish your site, or no one will be able to see it. All right, so this is my document. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this button here on the side and shrink it up a little bit so that it's just a little bit of a visual example of what this artifact is. Now, when the person goes onto your website and clicks on this, they'll see this button here that allows them to click and open it in a new window and see the full item that you've created. Now we're going to double click in this area, and I'm going to choose text. And now I can write my reflection. All right, so that's how I can go about putting the artifact in and a reflection. Now, what if my artifact is a YouTube video? Again, when you place these on YouTube, you need to make sure that they are either unlisted or public. If you keep your video as private, then the person looking at your web page will not be able to see that. All right, let's click on YouTube. And if I click Uploaded, then it'll show me all of the videos that I've uploaded to my account. So I'll just select one, click Select, and now I have this video. Again, if I want to explain this video to you, I can double click and choose Text and type in text. Or I can click on this video and grab the dragger bars, these grabber bars here, and I can just make it bigger so it takes up more of the page. And that way when you watch it, it's a nice big full-size video. Again, I can move these around. Again, I can add a background for emphasis. Whichever item you'd like to use, you can. So as you can see from the side here, I can add text and images. I can upload items, but you'll notice when I click on upload, I only upload images. I can't upload any documents or anything. So you would have to have your documents in Google in order to add them to Google Sites. I can add anything that I have in Google Drive, YouTube. I can add a Google Calendar. I can add a map if I need to add a map. And then if you want to add individual pieces, you can come down here and add them. Remember, all of these items that are down here, they have to be either unlisted or anyone with the link can view, or public, in order for them to be viewable on the website. In the next video, we'll learn how to change your theme and publish your site.